Hey everyone, it's Ian with Pro Cycle Repair. Today we're going to be back on the 2005 Honda VFR Interceptor 800, and today I'm going to show you guys how to change the air filter. Alright, so once we get to the bike, we're going to take off our seat, which is the lock right there. I just have my cable out right now. If you're going to remove your seat, then you're going to grab a 10mm. You're going to remove these two bolts right here. And then we're going to grab an 8mm and remove those two bolts right there. Next, we're going to remove this ground cable. It's also a 10mm, so we're going to do that next. Alright, so once you remove the ground, the two top bolts, two rear bolts, you're going to lift up the front like this. Hopefully your gas tank is not extremely full. Mine's got about a quarter tank left. We're just going to lean it up like this using my hand. Next, we're going to take out all those Phillips screwdrivers. So it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Once we remove the 7 Phillips, we're going to lift up this whole plastic piece and we'll see our air filter. Alright, we took our old air filter out. Now we're going to put our new one in. It's going to go in just like this. Be mindful of that one edge. This one has a pretty deep lip. So it only goes in one way. Make sure it's all pressed down nice and tight. We'll put our cover back on. Alright, so once we get our cover, make sure all corners are all firmly pressed down. They'll kind of snap in, and then we'll replace it with our put our Phillips screws back in. Alright, so once we replace all the Phillips screws, and we put in our 10mm and our 8mm bolts, we are done replacing the air filter. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.